darling. Thank you so much for coming.
I wouldn't miss tonight for the world. It should be an unforgettable evening.
Oh, I do hope you're right. I would be mortified if anything went awry.
Dear Auntie, I'm here. Your loyal Hunts is here. The wealthiest people in the city are here. What could possibly go wrong?
Move aside! Ironically genuine this time emergency.
Watch where you're going.
We're looking for Mrs. Worthington Ford.
I am Rodney Ford Taurus. What do you wish with my aunt?
I'm sorry, it's confidential.
Something plunger related?
Something the Sharon Stone has been stolen related?
Oh! Egad! No one must learn about this, do you hear me? No one!
But what about Mrs. Worthington?
Ford.
My aunt is in the frailest of health. The shock could kill her. We can't call the police either. We must investigate on our own.
Actually, we're not only plumbers, we're detectives.
And we're not even plumbers.
Oh! Excellent. If you find the priceless diamond, I'll give you a reward of $25.
Oh, yeah, right. Like you've got $25.
We'll take the assignment. Return to its rightful place, or all will die.
What? I don't know what you're talking about.
Sure he does. He does, you know. Boy, does he ever.
I do not. In any case, the curse does not exist. Ghosts do not exist.
All
right, I took it. I stole the diamond.
Rodney, how could you?
How couldn't I? When those society plumbers showed up, I knew they'd make the perfect patsies for a crime we'd already committed. But now I put it back so everything can return to normal, and I'll simply throw in a fresh ascot and prepare for a rousing weekend of lawn croquet.
I guess there's no more need for this.